7 reasons why your content marketing strategy is failing. It's an unfortunate fact that not all brands and businesses who have launched a content marketing campaign have succeeded. If you want to know why yours isn't anywhere near success, then you need to tune into this presentation. Number 1. You didn't set a SMART goal. Setting content marketing goals is not the same as setting a SMART content marketing goal. A SMART goal means it's a specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound goal. It's not just a generic goal one can easily come up with. Number 2, you don't have a target audience in mind. If you're creating content with no particular audience in mind, then you're just setting yourself up for failure. This is why buyer personas are a must. If you define who your ideal target audience is, then you can create content they'll find useful. Number 3, your content is all wrong. This is another effect of not having a buyer persona. If you don't know who your target audience is, then you could be creating content no one would pay attention to. In short, you'd be wasting your time. Number 4, your content isn't SEO optimized. Content marketing is great for your site's SEO. If you do content marketing correctly, you could rank high up on Google and other search engines for many profitable keywords. However, if your content isn't SEO optimized, then no one's going to find you on Google. Number 5, you don't have a system to capture leads. Most of your site visitors are only going to visit your site once. If they don't like what they see, they're going to bounce right off, and you're never going to see them again. However, if you have a lead capture system in place, you can reach out to them later on and redirect them back to your website. Number 6, you don't know what to do with your leads. You may have a lead capture system in place, but you're not using it properly. You don't know how to nurture your leads and turn them into buying customers or clients. Have a sales funnel in place and guide your leads down your funnel until they become paying customers. Number 7, you're not leveraging the power of social media. Social media has proven its value to businesses many times over. If you're not capitalizing on that, then you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Complement your content marketing strategy with a solid social media strategy, and you'll be amazed at the results.